Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off full screen in split screen view function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for this option? So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for advanced features menu, and in here we need to go to multi-window menu. And here we have our split screen options, as you can see. So full screen in split screen is here. We have an example here, and here we have our explanation. What does it do exactly? And here is our switch. So if we want to disable this function, here it is, on, off. It's the same switch. Come on, close. Okay. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.